Hello and welcome to episode 7 of Product Research. I'll be jumping right into this video here. If you guys haven't seen the last few episodes, I definitely recommend checking them out. We went over a ton of juicy, profitable products that you can find on AliExpress and resell them on eBay for easy money in the middle. Now, I've been recently exploring a new niche, and it's anime figurines, and these are seemingly very profitable thus far. So let's just click on a random one here. I'm gonna try to copy and paste this bad boy here, bring it over to eBay, and we'll have to add action figure. See if we can find the same one, and we do. It's gonna be $14.99 plus shipping. He's charging for $5.99. Looks like he sold 12 of them already. Next seller is selling it at 14, another one at 18. This is probably free shipping here. Free shipping from China for 14 bucks, but he's getting them for $3.50. So what I'm going to do here, since I found a profitable product, I'm going to transfer this to the Discord that we run. You can definitely join this with a link in the description. Completely free to join, and you can get access to all of these that I find. So I'm going to copy and paste this image. It's just the comparison between eBay to AliExpress. Circle the price there, and show you how to make money in the middle. So the value section here, we're going to post that right there. We're going to post a link showing you where to buy it. Send that there, and there's just lists and lists of different products in here that you can go into and just tap into whole new niches and categories and all sorts of juicy information located right there in that Discord. Again, check it out in the description down below. You can join for free right now. So let's jump into the next product here. So definitely a big fan of this new niche I've been exploring. There's a ton of profitable little action figures in here, and eBay is definitely known to be a place to collect various items like that. There's a lot of collectors on eBay. There's a lot of people that are fans of very specific niches, and they're looking for very specific products. So if you can provide those products, such as this thing, you can definitely make some money in the middle. So this is Edward Newgate. We're gonna look that guy up and just do 18 cm action figure. And there's a whole set of these that we found. These are all going for about $13 here. So we can find Edward there. That one's going for 13. We get him for 99 cents. Cool, 99 cents into 13 right there. Again, I'm going to just cut this out and post it in our Discord. Definitely a cool product to share with everyone. Post it right there. We're going to grab the link to let everyone know where to buy it. Make it nice and easy for you guys. Alright, so we got it uploaded there in the Discord. I'm going to go back and we're just going to keep on searching here. Go back one through AliExpress. Anime figures, we're going to stay on that topic for a little bit here. There's definitely profit all over the place. This one's $3. Not sure what this is, but we're going to find out what it's selling for. There you go. Make sure that's the same one. Does not look like the same one. Wait, 177, 170 there, coming from Japan. There you go, box right there. That's what the box looks like. That's the exact box right here. Alright, and I'm going to expose this guy right here. He's saying it's coming from Japan, which is hilarious. He's got a flaw in his listing here. But this is, the only reason he's calling it the only reason he's saying it's coming from Japan is because it's got Japanese writing on the side of the item there. And when he orders it from China and sends it to you after, 10x the price, the package will have Chinese letters on it. And most people can't differentiate Chinese and Japanese if they're in America. So most people skip over that fact. That's why he's got a perfect feedback rating. Most people are happy. Actually, all of the people that buy this are very happy with the product. They don't know that it's not coming from Japan. So he's lying and saying it's coming from Japan. We don't do that. We post it and say it's coming from China, and I highly doubt it would affect the sales. I would just rather not lie to people that buy my products on eBay. Even if you get away with it, it's just morally, it's not the right thing to do. But, you can say this is a Japanese action figure, but it does come from China. So that being said, there is money to be made on here. There's just a correct way to go about posting this type of item. So now what we can do is dig a little bit deeper into this person's products that he's selling. You know, we know this one's coming from China. I'm guessing all of these are coming from the same supplier. All right, moving on. We can find another interesting product to sell. Pokemon action figures. Definitely a popular, very popular brand there. Give that a quick search. Okay, so we found this product for $366 from China, and we found it for $13 on here. But on the eBay listing, it's showing that there's boxes that these little toys come in. So right now my question is, does this China listing come with the box and they're just not showing the pictures? Because I can't see one with a box in here. So the way to find out, we're going to click on reviews. We're going to click on pick review photos. And we're going to go through here and look. So it does not appear to be a box coming with these. And that's how we find that out. So we know for a fact, at least so far, we know for a fact that these do not come with a box. It's perfectly fine, but now we know. So we know it's not this one. So we're going to go back out and we can continue looking, or we can go back to the AliExpress and we can look for either a similar niche. This one even tells you it doesn't come with a box, but I guarantee you if you take your time and look through here, you can find the ones that do come with a box. You just saw these right here and these right here. So now these don't come with a box, but no box, you can sell it for half the price and still make a bunch of money on it, because these are literally found right here. And I guarantee you if you keep looking, you can find ones that do come with a box. He's getting these from China. It's just not giving me the related item. It's not making it easy on me to find these, but I guarantee you if you go through here and you look up Pokemon action figure, and it will pay off. There you go. There's the box. $5 into 30. We'll have it listed right here. Our Discord. So $5.59 into 30. 4 of them sold. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. If you have 50 different products listed and you sell 4 of one of them, then there's still a lot of money to be made extracting from these various little action figure products that you can sell. Tiny product, fast shipping, and then what's cool is you click on these reviews. There's a bunch of people posting picture reviews, so you can use these for your eBay listings. That's a absolutely perfect image there, and you can say these come in a box, brand new, unopened, super cool. And then it expands even further. I don't even have time to add all of these into this video, but as you can see, this just goes on endlessly. There's endless money to be made on every single thing found in here. There's just money everywhere. I mean, you can even find the one we found for $5 for 99 cents right here for a welcome deal, and you can take advantage of that. And then you click on that, and then you get more recommended items. Click on something like this and see what this goes for. We're just going to copy and paste this, and you just got to explore. That's one of the main things with product research. You have to explore. Right there, we're exploring. We just found it for 100, and I found it for 25 over here. It's the exact same thing. It comes with those books. It looks like you just, when you find something like this, it almost seems too good to be true. That's why we check and double check all of our information. So we want to make sure it comes with these books. We want to make sure it comes with everything that it says here. And it appears that it does. Reading product reviews, that'll help you get an idea of how the quality of everything is when it came in. How happy are actual buyers with this product coming from China? Research that. Go through here. Double check everybody's got good things to say. If you have 1-star reviews saying shipping took 3 months, product arrived broken and damaged, then obviously you don't have yourself a good product coming from China. But this looks like a very solid product that you can flip. And just as I use this as an example, and it turned out to be a 4x on the price that you get it for. Obviously minus fees and everything. You can go to eBay's related items. I guarantee you this is another kit coming from China. If we look further, if we look hard enough, we can 100% find this. I don't even know what this is. From 5 into 25, we got the link right there at the bottom. Alrighty, guys, we are going to wrap it up with episode 7 here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.